Click on the link below to get discount. Thanks for stopping by. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive deep into the future of sound. We're talking about something truly remarkable, the incredible Sonos Subwoofer. Now, this isn't just your typical subwoofer, it's a game changer in the realm of home audio experiences. Whether you're a die-hard movie buff, a music aficionado, or someone who just loves an immersive audio experience, get ready to transform the way you enjoy sound. So, let's set the scene. Picture this, it's movie night at your place. The lights are dimmed just right, and you settle into your favorite spot on the couch, snacks at hand. As the movie starts, the bass hits, and I mean it hits hard. The Sonos Subwoofer makes you feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. With its engineering dedicated to delivering immersive, pulse-pounding bass, every scene becomes a spectacle, turning an ordinary movie night into an unforgettable experience. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or enjoying a live concert from the comfort of your home, the audio experience is simply on another level. Now, I can hear you asking, what about the design? Well, let's talk aesthetics. The Sonos Subwoofer boasts a sleek, modern look that seamlessly fits into any decor, no more bulky subwoofers that clash with your stylish living room. It features dual force-canceling woofers, which effectively eliminate distortion. That means you can enjoy deep, dynamic sound without the annoying buzz or rattle that often plagues powerful bass systems. Think about it, you want to feel the music, not hear the equipment struggling to keep up, right? But wait, there's more. The Subwoofer has a clever ported enclosure that perfectly amplifies low frequencies, making every boom and beat not just heard but felt. If you're looking to upgrade your home theater experience even further, imagine pairing the Subwoofer with the Sonos Arc Ultra, Arc, or Beam. The result? An audio journey that surrounds you, enveloping you in sound that makes every movie or concert feel like you're right on the front row. And let's not forget about flexibility, this is key for your audio setup. The Subwoofer connects effortlessly to your soundbar or selected speakers over Wi-Fi, giving you the freedom to place it wherever you like. Want a bold, upright look? Go for it. Prefer a more stealthy vibe, laying it flat? You can do that too. And setup? It's a breeze, just plug it in, and with the help of the Sonos app, you'll be ready to go in mere minutes. No complicated installations to worry about. For our audiophile friends out there, here's a thought, consider pairing two Subwoofers with the Arc Ultra or Arc. Can you imagine the immersion? You'd be enveloped in sound so rich and full that it feels like you're living in a concert hall. Now, are you curious about how the Sonos Subwoofer is performing in the market? Well, let me tell you, it's making waves. The Sonos Subwoofer has proudly sold over 500 units and currently ranks number 2 in the home audio subwoofers category. With a stellar rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 117 reviews, it's evident that listeners are absolutely loving it. So, what's not to love? So why wait? Elevate your audio experience with the Sonos Subwoofer today. Feel every note, every scene, and every heartbeat like never before. I encourage you to imagine how this incredible piece of technology could change your home entertainment experience. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep enjoying the amazing world of sound. Remember, there's a whole universe of audio out there just waiting for you to explore. Click on the link below to get discount.